This is going to be life-changing.
Core Academy is the hair replacement education event of the year.
Core Academy is for everybody. It's for a stylist who wants to offer additional service. It's for a wig shop that's been in business for years and years that wants to stay relevant.
Our education partners wanted to learn how they could help every single person that walked in their door. They want to make sure that when they have a client, they have a client for life, and that they're with them through every single stage, whether they're just in there because they want a cute cut or because they have a hair loss need, and they want to provide a solution for them. They're stylists. They have that passion for creativity, and they want to continue to evolve that.
Really excited about our education partners classes, Shanna and Juan, Kendall Fuqua, and these are innovators in our industry. They're doing something completely different with their business models. Shanna often says to us at John Renau that her business has grown 600%. We completely changed her life.
Our education partners are experts in our industry because they had started off behind the chair like most stylists do, and they transitioned their business into offering hair replacement.
The classes this year at Core Academy include the class in non-shaving hair replacement method for women, as well as the most innovative techniques in men's hair replacement. It will teach you how to help your customer through every stage of hair loss and grow your business.
Why wouldn't you want to know what's happening in the industry to improve your business?
I think this is one way in which we can really make you successful, and that's our aim and objective. Brick and mortar accounts are up 20%, and I tell you, it's because additional education is getting them there. So this is something that I really believe is going to be of great advantage to you. So we look forward to seeing you and meet the team.